Yeah.
Okay, I don't know if this was on the paper, but I have one more song. This song, I've always wanted to perform at my own graduation, but I never knew what song to do because I feel like nothing really related to me, my friends. And so I decided to write a song, and I wrote maybe 3 or 4 until I could find the right one. And after I graduate, in about a month, I'll be leaving for 2 years to serve a mission for my church. So it's hard, but it's good. And this is kind of my goodbye letter to all my friends and family. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope I don't cry. So
Yeah.
this song is called "Will You Remember Me?"
Will you remember me while I'm away? And all the memories we made. I have to go just for a time, but you'll always be in my mind. So while I'm gone, far away from you, I hope you know that this is the truth. These are the moments that'll carry me through. Every game and every song, dancing our hearts out, that's in your palm. I'll miss it all, but I'll be there to catch you if you fall. Oh, oh, I remember when I moved into this town, and all that I could do was frown. But time took its toll, and this place became my home. Now I have somewhere to go when I'm alone. While I'm gone, far away from you, I hope you know that this is the truth. These are the moments that'll carry me through. Every party, every kiss, every second on basketball trips, I'll miss you all, but I'll be there to catch you if you fall. And oh, I'll miss you all. So will you remember me while I'm away? And every memory we made. 'Cause I have to go just for a time, but you'll